katana, slashing a lot of, victims. Obviously, they would not be innocent victims. They would be evil. So right there has seen evil. I envy most of you, except for Asa, who really has seen a lot of evil. He really has. I mean, he's kind of the eye of the evil hurricane over there. But I admire his bravery and courage. Although he did do it to himself. Okay, a couple more puns and I'm out. So, why did the oyster get arrested? He was caught red-clammed. Okay, so I can do another pun. I'm full of them. Why did the sea creature? Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm coming up with it. Why did the sea creature divorce the sea cucumber? Because he was urging for more. Okay. Couple more here. Someone tried to kick me off just now. It's not going to work on me. I know it's too powerful. I could go all night. I could go all night too. And all day. I would even keep going if none of you guys were in fact here. Funnily enough. Okay, couple more puns. I know do people still like puns? Okay. Just checking. Let's see here. I got a really good one. Okay, let me think. Thinking it's like kitchen related. Okay. It's kitchen related. It's a kitchen related pun, but I really don't know if this is the right place for it. But if it isn't, I don't give a fork. To the spoon and back, I will fly my wonderful wings. But you ever walk in the kitchen and you're just kind of looking at these cupboards, just kind of eyeing them down, And maybe it's not even your own house, and especially when it's not your own house, you want to look in them. At home, you already know it's in yours. So you pop them on over, whoever, your neighbors, your friends, your mom's mom, traditionally called grandmas. And you peek in and perhaps see it's exciting. It's a really exciting occasion because, maybe there's some ornate glasses which you've never laid eyes upon before,